What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I organize my small pantry. This is my pantry space. As you can see, I try my best not to purchase too many items at once. It's just four of us, so we don't need too much. So I try to purchase small amounts of stuff and then just cook them, and when they're done, then I go ahead and shop and replace them. So as you can see, I just have been filling this pantry, no organization whatsoever. I'm just shoving stuff in there. So I really want to take some time out to organize it. I did try to start organizing it, as you can see, but I didn't finish. So I went ahead and clear out the pantry, and then I'm just wiping it down with a warm cloth with some dish liquid, not too much, just a little bit, and just wiping it, cleaning all the surfaces. Okay, so I went ahead and put all the food out so that I could see what needs to go in a container. I already washed the containers and dried them out so they're ready to be filled. So I'm just going to be filling them with all my dry ingredients, such as my cornmeal, my pasta, my cereal, my flour, and then I'm just going ahead right here and labeling them with the labels that these storage containers come with. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below where you can get them. Okay, so I'm pretty much done putting all my dry ingredients in the storage containers. So I'm gonna relocate all my canned goods, and I'm gonna show you guys how I organize some of the cabinets, because the others are organized, but Some where I store more food items, those are not organized. So I'm going to show you guys how I organize those also. So the items that I'm not ready to use, I'm just going to be putting them at the far back of the pantry, such as my oil. I have an oil already open that's not finished, so I'm not ready to use this one. So I'm going to put it in the back. Also the barbecue sauce, I'm not ready to use that. So I'm going to also put it in the back. And I have some paper plates that, I'm not ready to use. I'll just use one pack at a time. So I'm also going to put this in the back. I want to make sure that I utilize all my space rather than, having wasted space and then cramming up stuff in other places. So this is how I am doing it. And here's the final results. It is so organized. It feels so good to just open the pantry and know where everything is and see everything that I have and know exactly what I need and what I don't need and what to buy more of and what not to buy more of. Because now that I'm organized, I know what space I have and what items I can replace. So I really love how it turned out. And as you can see, I put the small items that are almost finished in the back. Okay, so this is a cabinet. This is how I had it. It's pretty much not used efficiently. So I'm going to be using this cabinet for my canned goods. And voila, this is how it looks now that I've organized it with all my canned goods so I could see everything that I have. Yeah, I love how it turned out. I'm also going to be organizing this other cabinet that I use all the time. Every day I use this cabinet. As you can see, I have some cups and some other items in there. So I'm just going to be taking all of those out and only leaving the items that I use all the time, every day. So, and I'm also going to be organizing it by the items, like the bacon items. I'm going to put that on the second shelf. I'm going to relocate the cups to nearest the coffee station. And this is the final thing. All my baking supplies right here. My oil that I use all the time is right here next to the stove. My cooking spray, my favorite seasonings. I went ahead and I put them in this area. It makes more sense. All my honey and my seasoning for my sauces. They're right at reach and it looks really organized, really nice. I really love how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll show you guys how I organize my refrigerator next. Thank you. Bye.